Hello.
Sir, as you can see, I am going to start this. Your tool is ready to upload products. Okay, so here is the tool I started. Okay, so let me show you how it works. So this is inventory data. Okay, so you have to just click on start. It will get prices and inventory data from noble house, and you have to just export prices, export inventory. Okay, click on it and it will be exported, and then you have to do uh, this data to upload here. Okay, click on for prices update, you have to just click on it and add file and overwrite and upload and continue. And for your inventory, the same process. Okay, so I am going to start this. It will get updated data. Tool is started, and for inventory you have to click on import, add file and upload file. Okay, so here is okay, as you can see, uh, here is the data. Okay, so here is grams, prices. Okay, so you have to just upload it, upload this data to your Shopify store. I hope you get my words. So if you have any problems in it, then please let me know. I will fix if any issue in it.